This so lit, got my wrist so wet, I feel like bird. Big dough, bet I'm on pistol, check with her like what's the word? Get out of my face, how you tryna ride my way, but you can't serve. So fly, I feel like bird. I'm so fly, I feel like bird. This so lit, got my wrist so wet, I feel like bird.
Dang, all three
poor
fitting
kids, dude.
Yeah, they didn't see it coming. Got no in the car, he's all sleepy. I'm actually surprised we fit all three in here.
We easily could have fit 4.
Could have fit like 6. Road trip. I'll cut it. Just got to Austin.
Yeah, fuck you.
I'm tired. I hope so. Damn, it's a fucking Ryan song over there. Fly like a G6.
Let's find a parking garage.
Alright.
Yep.
Dude, your brake lights are out.
You see that girl on the little bike thing? Oh, she turned the corner, she's like,
Oh.
alright, where y'all wanna go?
Where's the parking garage? Isn't that one right there?
Oh, that's where we were chilling at last time.
Wow, that's a big ass one. I'm just gonna fast forward to when we're there. Made it up. Finally. Fucking legs are killing me. How about you?
No, yeah, my quads.
Jeez.
Hey guys, I gotta take the bikes out here. Oh, okay. Alright.
Thank you. On my left foot. I feel like I burnt that hoe off on the way down here. Black all right there. I'm just glad none of our bikes fell apart on the way. Well, that was an adventure. We only got like fucking 30 minutes of footage, maybe. Not, but like total when we put it together, it's gonna be like fucking.
Let's go to
2
Crystal
minutes.
Falls and.
Oh yeah, we could just shoot tomorrow.
Yeah.
Dustin, you coming? What? What if he did hit like a bird or like a jumping squirrel? Oh my god, as Ryan said. Got the gang, got 2 backpack boys. And then Noah's just going naked, not even a fanny pack.
What are you wearing? Dude, I just got back from the feet.
See, wasn't that bad?
I mean, it was pretty close, but it's fine. Did that hit you? No. That was way too close. Oh.
Look, Grand Misa. Like Jar Jar Binks.
Misa called Jar Jar Binks.
During the week, I think it's like 18. Well, no, it's like on the weekend it's like 55. Damn. They start tracking.
Is this like Topgolf?
Pretty much. Yeah, basically.
Sick.
Zap. Oh, I went.
Give you $5 if you didn't.
I swear to God.
This try.
Have to lose $5. Oh baby. Oh money.
No way.
Right?
Did you ever swing them at the cars over there? Dang, you're already sweating? You didn't even hit it yet.
Blasted. That's fucking hard.
If you would have let go of the club and it would have flew this way.
Left. Fuck.
Hey, you gotta hit the ball on the floor.
Okay. Fuck, dude. We can do this all night.
That's crazy.
Yep. Nice block.
But every time I catch up, or I think I catch up, they always fucking smoke me. They just keep taking off. What'd you run into?
Wait, how did you know that?
You came in and you...
You hit trying to park, huh? No.
Yeah, it was those fucking
This morning I was going to Lowe's and some idiot fucking
He was the idiot.
people
You
kept.
just said you were at Lowe's.
I was going to Lowe's around 8 o'clock.
Lowe's is right here.
Wait, so when did you run into Lowe's?
8:07. I hit somebody's hitch, and it fucking.
Shut up. So you did it?
No, they braked and we.
Where'd your girl go?
His hitch. It was like a.
It's still on his hitch.
still on.
It's just a
He's
circle.
like, honey, look at the fucking souvenir I got. Did you polish the chrome on his hitch?
No.
You know what that means?
Dude, no, I didn't suck his dick, right?
Is that really what that means?
Yeah.
See, I didn't even know that.
I didn't even know it.
I can't believe Ryan knew that.
Yeah. I didn't know about that.
You want to shoot the crossbow? I got it.
We can shoot it here? Can we shoot it at your other girl on the other side?
No.
What looks stupid with just one grill missing?
Is actually missing?
Yeah, want to look at it?
Bro, you did not break it off.
That's fucking hitch. That's his hitch. Right? That's the hitch.
That's the dent from the hitch.
Yes. Yes. Yes, I was scared. But I was not like shit this scared. I was like, damn, I fucked up.
Were you more scared in the elevator?
No, I was more scared in the elevator, yeah. It's a fucking morning. He didn't even seem phased about it. Like, he
I
was
thought it was funny though, reaction.
Because it didn't like leave a scratch on anything, right?
yeah, his truck was fine.
Yeah,
He was checking if I was okay. Bro, shut up.
That happens.
I should have just said, like, yo, bro, give me $200 right now. I'm gonna rock it off.
You hit him.
Yeah, it's your fault.
You fucking braked.
That's your fault.
Yeah, it's your fault.
You
You're in control of your vehicle.
Yeah, but I stopped. I also pushed my brake.
Well, legally, you're supposed to be 3 car lengths behind a person. You should have asked him for money. All right, give me 200. You'd be like, what the fuck? Don't swing the rocks.
No, he used to do it. He did it to me, you fucking asshole at lunch. Yes, you shot a quarter in my fucking hand and it cut me. You remember, know people just like get quarters and quarters.
We didn't even sit at tables.
Oh, you didn't.
We're recording on this still? Oh, yeah.